Well, time for the bottom line now. Judgment has been reserved in the case between financial services giant Old Mutual and its former CEO, Peter Moyo.
Judge Brian Mashile will hand out judgment on an urgent application to reinstate Moyo by Friday next week. Lawyers representing Old Mutual argued against Moyo's application, saying the company would be the ultimate loser.
Old Mutual's lawyers argued that there was no unlawfulness in its decision to part ways with former CEO Peter Moyo. The insurer terminated its relationship with Moyo in June this year, citing a breakdown in trust and confidence. Advocate Hamilton Manenja told the court that the breakdown in trust was a result of Moyo's alleged failure to protect Old Mutual's interests due to a conflict of interest. Manenja also argued that Moyo's axing was not a constitutional infringement and that the breakdown in trust and confidence between Moyo and the insurer were reasons not to reinstate.
I can move to the temporary reinstatement as a form of relief, because that's the main relief that he seeks. My lord, it's common course between the parties that the specific performance in the form of temporary reinstatement is discretionary under contract. We're not suggesting that it can never be granted as discretionary. But we submit by reference to the cases we'll refer to that it is inappropriate in circumstances where the termination is based on loss of trust, confidence and mutual respect.
But Moyo's lawyer, Advocate Dalimpofu, has called the alleged breakdown in trust bogus and proof of an ulterior motive. Moyo's lawyers want the court to reinstate Moyo and have his dismissal declared unlawful and unconstitutional. Mpofu has argued that Moyo should have gone through a disciplinary hearing before he was fired, while Old Mutual has argued that Moyo is not entitled to one.
If the version of Old Mutual is true, that you can allege misconduct, you can allege gross misconduct, you can even allege consequences that flow from that, and yet be entitled to simply terminate on notice, then which employer in their right mind would ever have a disciplinary hearing? I mean, it's ridiculous. People have disciplinary hearings for months and months and spend money. They must just ask Old Mutual how to do it. You don't need those things.
They are also calling on the court to declare the entire Old Mutual board delinquent. Mbalenhle Mthethwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.